Alright, good morning YouTube. I'm Ogf, this is Rage. We are on our way to Pace and Pixels in Thane. Welcome to the channel. Now if you thought the acceleration of the RC390 now is brutal, wait and watch until the Powertronic is installed in it. Now the good folks from Race Dynamics India were kind enough to send me a Powertronic piggyback ECU. Great job man, great f***ing job. There's a f***ing zebra crossing there, but he'll cross right in front of me holding his f***ing phone. Brilliant. Yeah, so the good folks at Race Dynamics India were kind enough to send me a Powertronic piggyback ECU. It should be a worthy modification for Rage now that it's completed its warranty period. What are people up to over here? For those of you who are not familiar with who Race Dynamics are, well, they're a performance enhancement kind of... that doesn't sound right. They're a company that specializes in increasing the performance of either petrol or diesel engines, be it in motorcycles or in cars as well. And these guys have, through their intensive testing, figured out how to smoothen up the RC390 and increase its performance, and to some extent as well improve mileage as well. So the Powertronic ECU is something that I've been looking at for quite a while now, and a big shout out to Eshan from the LMT Store who helped me sort this out. He coordinated between Race Dynamics and myself and was able to get me one of these to review and put on the RC390. Again, as always, reviews on my channel are only shared once I've been able to test it out properly, and that would be the same for this as well. So today what we're going to do is install the device, and later on we will review it. Alright, I think this is it. Where is Pace and Pixels? I think it's there, inside. Oh, I messed it up. Nice to meet you, man. Alright, I'm here at Pace and Pixels, and after releasing a story on Instagram yesterday that I'll be in Thane, there's a few subscribers who showed up as well to meet me. Here are some of them. Guys, just introduce yourself with your name, that's it.
Hey, I'm Lawrence. Hey, I'm Eshan.
Hi, I'm Aditya.
Hi, I'm Amol.
Hi, I'm Akhilesh.
Hey, hi. Saujas. Hi. Viraj.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm coming to realize that Thane isn't as big as I thought it was, because most of these guys stay pretty close by, like around what, a kilometer or two maximum around here. Yeah, but there's two celebrities I've met now. Celebrity number one is Bhojraj.
Hi.
Okay, and celebrity number two is Thane's very own Thanekar Mehul. Okay, so you come here a lot, right, for
Yes,
the Pace and
for
Pixels?
servicing, basically.
Okay, and apart from servicing, is there any other services which they offer over here, or is it just purely servicing?
Sometimes breakfast.
Okay, so there's that also. So it's not just bikes, it's food also.
Yeah.
There's a lot of other stuff around here as well, apart from motorcycles. If you guys want to check it out, we're going to head in now and see what's going on with the motorcycle. See you.
Okay, this is your coupler for ignition.
Okay.
It goes into your ignition coil. This one goes into your CKP, your crank position sensor. This is for your injectors. This is for your throttle position sensor. This is the parent coupler in which the ECU is connected. And this is your switch for changing the map. The unit comes with two maps preloaded. Disconnected it's on map 1 and connected it's on map 2.
Okay.
Map 2 is usually used for tracks and race days.
Alright, so we're done here at Pace and Pixel Motors. The Powertronic piggyback ECU has been installed. Rage is running fine. I took it for a test ride a few minutes ago. And we're gonna head back to Bandra now. Also, Road Runner is back there on his CBR 250, and he wanted to drop by at the Triumph showroom for his new motorcycle. So we're gonna go and see if his bike papers and whatnot are ready. Yeah, big thank you to Bhojraj and the guys for helping me install the Powertronic ECU. They really did it without much effort, and it always looked like they were in control and knew what they were doing. He was even kind enough to explain how to switch modes and whatnot, and in case I needed to go back to stock settings, how I could go about doing that. So again, a big thumbs up for the service I received at Pace and Pixels, and I'll definitely recommend them to you guys. He's also got a 4-wheeler garage for those of you who own cars and are watching this video. So I believe that's in Mahim, he said. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave his contact number and the location of Pace and Pixels in the description of this video for you guys to check it out. Now we're heading back to Jogeshwari with Roadrunner, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!
Show up in an Uber like whoa, blacked out, but my outfit straight gold. Brought a blunt, but I never really need that. Stevie got that treat, I know. Then we caught